Hello, welcome to Listening English with Sari. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to get more interesting videos. And don't forget to write your opinion in the comments. In a small coastal town, a fisherman named Thomas would sail out each morning, casting his nets into the endless blue. Each day, he returned with nothing but solitude and the whispers of the waves, his heart heavy with the weight of a life unfulfilled. One stormy night, as lightning danced across the sky, he noticed a glowing figure struggling in the surf. It was a mermaid, her shimmering tail entangled in a net. Without hesitation, Thomas freed her, and in gratitude, she promised him 3 wishes. Instead of wealth or fame, Thomas wished for the ability to hear the ocean's songs, the laughter of the gulls, and the heartbeat of the tides. From that day forward, he not only caught fish but also found joy in each gentle sunrise and the stories hidden beneath the waves. In sharing his newfound gift with the townspeople, he transformed their bleak lives, reminding them that sometimes the greatest treasures are not what we seek, but the connections we nurture along the way. As news of Thomas's extraordinary ability spread, the townsfolk began to gather at the docks each evening, drawn by his mesmerizing tales of the ocean's hymns. He recounted how the waves whispered secrets of love lost at sea, how the sea breeze carried laughter from faraway shores, and how each fish brought with it a legend waiting to be told. Inspired by his stories, the people of the town started to reconnect with one another, sharing their own memories and dreams, echoing the harmony of the ocean in their lives. One fateful evening, as they gathered under a starlit sky, an unexpected silence fell over the crowd. Thomas looked out to the horizon, where a vast armada of ships appeared, fishermen from neighboring towns, drawn by the enchanting stories that had traveled through the sea breeze. Embracing a spirit of community, they joined forces with Thomas and his town, creating a festival that celebrated not just the bounty of the sea but the bonds of friendship and resilience they had formed together. Through music, laughter, and shared meals, they painted a vivid tapestry of hope, proving that even in the depths of despair, a single act of kindness can illuminate the darkest waters, inviting everyone to come together and dance to the rhythm of life. And in that harmony, Thomas found his true calling, not just as a fisherman, but as the storyteller of the sea, forever intertwined with the lives he had touched. As the annual festival grew in popularity, each year brought new faces and fresh stories. Fishermen from distant shores would arrive, eager to hear Thomas's captivating tales and share their own, weaving a rich tapestry of maritime legends that spanned generations. The once quiet coastal town transformed into a vibrant hub of culture and creativity, where local artists painted murals inspired by the ocean's mysteries, and musicians strummed their guitars, echoing songs of love, loss, and adventure beneath the stars. One summer evening, under a silvery moon, a young woman named Elara arrived at the festival. With her curious spirit and luminous smile, she quickly captivated the crowd. Thomas noticed her keen interest as she listened to his stories, her eyes sparkling with imagination. Encouraged by her enthusiasm, he invited her to share her own tales, which turned out to be woven with fantasy, where mermaids danced under the moonlight and ships sailed through the clouds. Ilara's vivid storytelling style added a new layer to the festival. It brought a sense of magic that deepened the connection between the people and the sea. As the festival continued each year, Thomas and Ilara became inseparable, their bond forged through shared passion and creative spirit. They decided to document the stories, his ocean lore and her enchanting fables, combining them into a book filled with illustrations and poetry, aptly titled The Heartbeat of the Sea. When it was published, it became a beacon of hope, inspiring other towns to reconnect with nature and each other, sparking festivals of their own across the coastline. Years went by, and while the townsfolk aged, their love for the sea and each other only deepened. Thomas eventually passed the torch to Ilara, who continued to share stories enriched with the framework he had built. On the day of the last festival Thomas attended, the townspeople gathered around him, reminiscing and celebrating his legacy. Under the stars, he watched the community he had transformed, invigorated by laughter and love, and felt an overwhelming sense of fulfillment and connection. As he closed his eyes for the final time, he knew that the ocean would always carry his spirit, forever intertwined with the tales of hope, friendship, and the magic of the sea. In the wake of Thomas's passing, the town felt a profound sense of loss. Yet the spirit of his stories lingered, woven into the very fabric of their lives. Ilara, now the custodian of Thomas's legacy, found strength in the vibrant community they had built together. Inspired by his teachings, she decided to honor him by organizing a grand tribute at the festival, inviting storytellers from far and wide to share not only their tales of the sea but also the lessons of love, resilience, and the bond of humanity. As the day of the festival approached, Ilara worked tirelessly, reaching out to fellow storytellers, artists, and musicians, gathering a diverse blend of voices to celebrate Thomas's life and the magic of the ocean. The festival blossomed into a celebration of life, showcasing not only stories but also dance performances, art installations, and interactive workshops where attendees could create their own tales, rekindling the power of imagination. On the night of the event, the town square was aglow with lanterns that reflected the twinkling stars above. The air was filled with laughter, music, and the tantalizing scent of freshly prepared seafood. As Ilara took to the stage, she felt a rush of emotions, grief for her beloved mentor but also an immense gratitude for the community that he had inspired. She shared stories of Thomas, his wisdom, and the magic they had woven together, urging everyone to carry his spirit forward. As narrators and creators stepped up to the podium, their words echoed through the crowd, merging into a symphony of voices that resonated with the rhythm of the waves. Tales of courage, adventure, heartbreak, and healing unfolded, creating a tapestry that reflected the collective experiences and dreams of the community. In those moments, Ilara realized that Thomas had not just imparted stories, he had nurtured a way for them to navigate life's tempests together. As the festival neared its end, Ilara and the townspeople gathered at the shoreline, lighting lanterns and casting them into the ocean, a poignant farewell to Thomas but also a celebration of continuity and hope. With each lantern that drifted away, they sent forth a piece of their hearts into the vast unknown. The sea glimmered with ethereal light, and in that luminous glow, they felt Thomas's presence, a reminder that every story told, every connection made, would ripple across the waters, forever echoing back to them. From that day forward, the festival became a cherished tradition, not just a remembrance of one man, but a living testament to the power of community storytelling, showcasing that even in loss, love endures, an endless tide that cherishes the past while embracing the dawn of new stories yet to unfold.